Hello and thank you for joining us as we take a look at the features and benefits of the Ocelot LG03 golf cart tire. The perfect solution for your club car, Yamaha or E-Z-Go golf cart, this tire was designed to handle turf and street use with ease. Featuring a durable 4-ply construction, the Ocelot LG03 is built to last. Its non-directional turf-friendly design ensures reliable traction, while also making installation and tire rotation straightforward. With its non-directional tread, you get consistent handling and performance in any direction. The block pattern has 6 mm of tread depth. The profile and tread styling offers a smooth and quiet ride without excessive road noise. Another feature of the flat tread design is it provides low rolling resistance, allowing you to enjoy optimal power output from your golf cart. The LG03 is ideal for low-intensity applications, making it the perfect choice for golf courses, neighborhoods, and other light-duty environments. This tire provides stability and comfort without damaging turf or soft terrain. With its 18 by 8.5 by 8 sizing, this tire is a cost-effective solution as an OEM replacement for your golf cart. Whether you're servicing your club car, Yamaha, or E-Z-Go golf cart, the LG03 delivers seamless compatibility and dependable performance. From the golf course to the street, the Ocelot LG03 golf cart tire is a great combination of versatility, durability, and affordability. Its design ensures top-notch performance without breaking the bank. Thanks for watching and drive safe.